Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy peppermint crisp tart recipe. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available in the description box below. So we're going to start off with fresh cream that is ultra pasteurized, but if you don't have this fresh cream, you're more than welcome to also use whipping cream. And we're basically going to whisk that with an electrical mixer. I recommend an electrical mixer for this one because if you're going to be using your hand, it's going to be quite a job. And then basically I'm whisking that away just until I receive the texture that I'm looking for from the cream. And basically the cream needs to be able to hold up on its own when I'm lifting the whisk. So it was not ready at that moment, so I just continued whisking it on high to get to the consistency that I like. Okay, so now that we're done whisking the cream, we're going to move over to the next step, which is basically to add the caramel treat. So I'm using the mint caramel treat from Nestle, and I'm going to be adding this into the cream in 2 parts. So I'm going to add the first tin, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and mix in the second tin. And I'm basically going to whisk this with the electrical mixer on a low medium heat. We're not trying to go too fast, so it's just going to be on a low medium heat for about a minute or two, or until the caramel is fully combined. You need to also try and be careful not to over mix it. So once you see that your caramel is sort of combined with your cream, you're more than welcome to let go of the electrical mix and then continue mixing your cream and caramel mixture by hand. This is just to avoid over mixing your cream in this instance. So next I'm going to be adding the chocolate, and I'm using the peppermint crisp chocolate from Nestle, and I'm basically just roughly cutting that with my knife just to get it into little bits and pieces. So once I've done that, I'm going to take half of the chocolate mixture and then add it into the cream mixture, and then just mix that all up inside the bowl. So next I'm taking a glass tin, and then I'm going to be using the tennis biscuits from Bakers, and I'm basically going to be lining those up throughout the tin at the bottom to create my first layer. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to add the cream mixture on top and then level that out. And then once I've leveled the first layer of cream, I'm going to add my second layer of tennis biscuits, and I'm just going to repeat the process as I did before. I'm going to add a layer of caramel on top of this when I'm also done leveling up the tennis biscuits. And make sure you can actually add more biscuits, because the more biscuits you have, the less sweeter your dessert becomes. So you can add more than just one single layer if you would like. I only added one layer, and then after that I just, like I said, I'm going to add the cream on top, and I'm basically going to smooth that out, make sure that I cover all the edges, and then I'm going to take the leftover chocolate and just sprinkle it roughly on top of the cream just to give it a nice look. And then lastly, I'm also using some roasted coconut flakes. This just gives it another taste that's a bit unique, so you're more than welcome to use coconut flakes, but this is an optional. It's not part of the traditional recipe, so you're more than welcome to also leave it out if you don't like the taste of coconut, but I strongly recommend it. And this is what our finished product looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're gonna enjoy this recipe as much as I did. Like I said, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.